I've been holding on to echoes of a love that slipped away. Your goodbye still hits like thunder, even now, day after day. And I try to breathe you out, but your memory's too loud. So I whisper to the dark, hoping it will heal my heart. Your touch still lingers warm, even though we fell apart. Slow like a fading flame, strong like the ache you gave. I'm standing here alone, but my voice won't break away. There's a picture on the table, faded edges worn with time. I still trace your face each evening, like the past could realign. And I know I should move on, but my soul keeps holding on. So I whisper to the dark, hoping it will heal my heart. Your touch still lingers warm, even though we fell apart. Slow like a fading flame, strong like the ache you gave. I'm standing here alone, but my voice won't break away. So I whisper to the dark, hoping it will heal my heart. Your touch still lingers warm, even though we fell apart. Slow like a fading flame, strong like the ache you gave. I'm standing here alone, but my voice won't break away. I've been talking to the silence, like it understands my pain. Every word I breathe gets heavier since you walked out in the rain. And I know I shouldn't miss your touch, but this heart don't listen all that much. So I stand here in the dark, letting memories leave their mark. Your love still hits me slow, like a shadow on my heart. Strong, but it cuts so deep. I can't hide the wounds I keep. I'm still holding on to pieces of a love I couldn't keep. There's a tremble in my breathing when your name rolls through my mind. I pretend I'm finally over it, but the truth ain't never kind. Yeah, I try, but you're carved into my bones. And I fight, but the nights won't leave me alone. So I stand here in the dark, letting memories leave their mark. Your love still been counting all the teardrops falling quiet on the floor. Everyone a little story of the nights you closed the door. And I swear I tried to rise, but the truth shows in my eyes. 'Cause I'm losing myself slow, where your memory still glows. Your love hits like a tide, pulling me down where I can't go. Strong, but it breaks me still, like a fire I can't kill. I'm standing in the silence with a heart you never filled. There's a coldness in the window where you used to hold me tight. Now it's only empty spaces talking back to me each night. Yeah, I try to walk away, but my soul won't obey. 'Cause I'm losing myself slow, where your memory still glows. Your love hits like a tide, pulling me down where I can't go. Strong, but it breaks me still, like a fire I can't kill. I'm standing in the silence with a heart you never filled. Slow, where your memory still glows. Your love hits like a tide, pulling me down where I can't go. Strong, but it breaks me still, like a fire I can't kill. I'm standing in the silence with a heart you never filled. I've been walking through the quiet, where your memory still remains. Every breath feels like a shiver running cold inside my veins. And I try to break away, but the night stray. So I'm standing in the blue, where the truth cuts straight through. Your love still holds a place of a heart you left unclear. There's a whisper by the doorway, sounds like something you once said. I pretend I don't still hear it, but it rings inside my head, and I know it's overdue, but I still crawl back to you. So I'm standing in the blue, where the truth cuts straight through. Your love still holds a place that I can't tear from me and you. Slow like a falling tear, strong like the thing I fear. I'm singing through the ache of a heart you left unclear. So I'm standing in the blue, where the truth cuts straight through. Your love still holds a place that I can't tear from me and you. Slow like a falling tear, strong like the thing I fear. I'm singing through the ache of a heart you left unclear. I'm singing through the ache of a heart you left unclear. I've been tracing all the heartbeats left behind when you were here. Now the rhythm feels uneven, like it's dragging through the fear. And I swear I've tried to stand, but the truth slips through my hands. So I'm crying slow tonight, where the shadows steal the light. Your memory holds me close, even when you're out of sight. Strong, but it wears me thin, like a flame beneath my skin. I'm singing through the silence of a love I couldn't win. There's a tremble in the window where we danced the longest nights. Now I only see reflections of a world that lost its light. Yeah, I know I should let go, but my soul still moves too slow. So I'm crying slow tonight, where the shadows steal the light. Your memory holds me close, even when you're out of sight. of a love I couldn't win. Singing through the silence of a love I couldn't win. I've been walking through the quiet where your footsteps used to fall. Every whisper in the hallway feels like you still hear me call. But the truth don't lie tonight. You're the wound I can't rewrite. So I sing into the dark, let it echo through my heart. Your shadow clings to me, even though we're worlds apart. Slow like a breaking wave, strong like the scars you gave. I'm holding on to memories of a love I couldn't say. I've been tracing old confessions you once poured into my hands, but the warmth has long been fading like a fire in shifting sand. And I know I should let go, but my soul won't tell me so. So I sing into the dark, I've been holding on to heartache like it's something I can't release. Every memory of you lingers in the corners I can't reach. And I swear I tried to heal, but some wounds stay too real. So I sing into the night where the truth cuts like a knife. Your love still moves so slow, but it shadows all my light. Strong as a thunder roll, heavy on my tired soul. I'm standing in the quiet with a heart you never stole. There's a tremble in the stillness when your name drifts through my mind. I keep hoping I'll forget you, but the past ain't that kind. And I know I should let go, but my voice won't say no more. So I sing into the night where the truth cuts like a knife. Your love still moves so slow, but it shadows all my light. Strong as a thunder roll, heavy on my tired soul. I'm standing in the quiet with a heart you never stole. With a heart you never stole. So I sing into the night where the truth cuts like a knife. Your love still moves so slow, but it shadows all my light. Strong as a thunder roll, heavy on my tired soul. I'm standing in the quiet with a heart you never stole. With a heart you never stole. I've been sitting with the shadows, letting those breathe again. Every heartbeat feels like thunder from the places we've been. should move on, but my soul still sings your song. So I whisper to the moon, hoping it will hear my truth. Your love still pulls me slow, like I'm tied to what I knew. Strong, but it wears me thin, like a storm beneath my skin. I'm holding on to echoes of a love we couldn't win. I've been tracing all the memories, soft and sharp like winter wind, trying hard to breathe without you, but I cave right back again. Yeah, I try to walk away, but your ghost still makes me stay. So I whisper to the moon, hoping it will hear my truth. And love still pulls me slow, like I'm tied to what I knew. Strong, but it wears me thin, like a storm beneath my skin. I'm holding on to echoes of a love we couldn't win. I've been staring at the doorway, hoping you might walk back through. It's a foolish little habit, but it's all I know to do. 'Cause my hands still shake at night when the past comes back to bite. So don't say you miss me now, if you never stayed somehow. Your love was sweet and cruel, had me breaking, playing the fool, slow as the midnight blues, strong as the hurt you choose. I'm standing here undone, still haunted by your truth. There's a whisper on my shoulder, sounds like something you would say. I try hard to forget it, but it never fades away. And I know it isn't right, but I still dream